Hello, teacher and guys. This is my presentation of the Unit 2 Task 4. Uh, my name is Felipe Ladino. I am 30 years old. Where do you uh, I live in near Bogota with my family, most exactly in Suacha. I live with my wife and two children. My wife's name is Wendy Parra, and my children, their names are Juan and Leon. I am studying electronic engineering in the UNAT and in a short and intensive course, the software development. I work in elevator company as elevator technical. This is tutorial. This is a tutorial video giving the tip of how how to help the environment. Ways to save water. First, reduce shower time. Secondly, use a glass to brush your teeth and close the tap to soap your hand. And in conclusion, care rivers and seas. Thank you for your time.